Good afternoon. Guess I was talking to myself there with the mute button. Just talking to myself there with the old mute button. Me and the old mute button, we're having a fun time, you know? I'm trying to decide what to do on Take Profit Trader here. Do I create a rhythmic connection? And then when we connect to it, that should kind of give us the other account that we were expecting to have there. Not quite sure. All right. Yes, ripping back off that 28 level there. The little double bottom. Did Nasdaq make a new low? Did not. So we do have a bullish S&T here as well. No clean inversion though. Let's see. The 3-minute is the cleanest. That is very interesting. Kind of an A+ setup here. What up, Bad Mouse? Bad Ma? Very interesting setup. A sweep of this low here. We have a bullish S&T here. Nasdaq did not make a low. Yes, did. I mean, I wouldn't mind taking this, but I'm not keen on taking it with a mini. I don't know what to do with the Take Profit Trader. I guess what I'm going to do is load up another My Funded Futures. I don't think I'll get it loaded up before this sort of happens. Do we want to go starter or starter plus? I think we'll just go starter. Quan Tower. All right. It did not dirty close there anyway. Okay. I wonder why I'm getting no. That makes no sense. I'm not getting a discount on the starter plus or the starter plan. It didn't give me the 5% off at all. One of the hardest days in a year or so. Made 5,500, lost 5,100. Hey, green's green though, right? Hold on one second. Little top of the hour shenanigans. What up, Robert? This little 3-minute held here. Let's see if we got our eval. Yep. Interesting spot. I mean, I think the short's okay here. It stops quite wide. There is a bullish S&T as well. Let's see. All right. So we got the new eval here. If we inverse this, I mean, I think it's okay for the long, but I don't know, man. Kind of looking like it wants to just sell down. Let me see if I can get this account over here. Got all the indicators and stuff over here. This is on the micros, but that's all right. What up, Treff? I don't know. Tough to say here what's going to happen. I mean, like, my initial thought was, like, long, right? That was my initial thought, but then it kind of rejected that there pretty quickly. It's good, Pawn. How's it going? Where you been? Yes, kind of down to that support level at 28. I mean, you could long here reasonably if you thought that this SMT was going to hold. I don't guess it's too bad. We'll try it here with a little SMT action. Stop kind of down here at the low. We'll add into it if we can. And I mean, it could just be that the low doesn't hold here and we're just wrong. So we're in 4 right now. We'll add into this. All evals up, 2 PAs I need to trade, down 50 on an eval. Let's go. All right, out of 1. See if it can't push now. It's going to get me out of the very first one and then sell back down. That'd be kind of rude. That should be kind of rude. Double myth. That's right, Keegan. Double myth. I feel like I've been slacking a little bit on my streaming, so dangerous along here really is. The lows don't hold. I guess we'll be out. Try to see if the lows will hold. Back above 25, I will add back in. So we're in 5 now. Yes, holding the 28 so far. See if we can hold this area and push back up. It's working on the 10-minute inside candle. I know Pine watches those. I've been slacking and trading too. Oh, that sucks. Health stuff? Hopefully you're all good. Hopefully you're all good. I'm kind of just thinking that this the SMT holds, right? But doesn't look like it's going to. I think we're risking $300 on this trade-ish. So $300-ish. think that took me out of 2 of them. I think I'm going to go ahead and move the stop into break even there. We're up 10 points-ish. Actually, you know, man, you know what? I double thought that afterwards. I was like thinking to myself, no, let's let it roll more, but I didn't. Well, after all that, we're up $10. $10. 815 likely we switch direction. 860. Oh, okay. You forgot to change your drawdown and locked out $2 with my 20. Oh, that sucks. I mean, here's the thing. If this area holds, like I was kind of thinking it might, we could get a nice push up off this area. But this SMT here doesn't hold, then I think the next leg down starts and we maybe see the 700s. But for now, it's holding. I think I'm going to add back in here. I think I'm going to jump back in. I probably should have stayed in to begin with. But what we'll do is try to be a little more reasonable. Marcin, I'm the bull for now. I think we're going to go back up. But, I don't know. And like I said, it just depends on what happens here. If we break the lows, then I think we go down. I think we're kind of at the line in the sand, if you will. Kind of at the line in the sand. You're calling Tom Sabo, maybe he'll buy some micros. Tell him. You're up 250 yesterday. I was locking in, leaving with 225 and forgot to change it. Nah. Well, that one worked. I don't know. I may just keep working this area. We'll see. You can see, guys, I hit the daily loss limit on this account. Let me kind of run through if you're just joining us. What we did today. Here's the eval that we're currently trading, up 28 bucks. Here's the other funded account, up 178. $900 total in profit. I'm probably going to be locked out on that one for the rest of the day. And then we did find one more trade on our funded accounts here. Daily goal kind of right around that $300 mark, and that's where we're at. So those are locked out for the day. Day one on the Apex accounts. So if you're just joining us, that's where we're at. Like I said, if the lows hold, I think we're going to go back up. We lose the lows. If we sweep these lows here, then I think we get the next leg down. And this wick down here is probably in play. 835. The overnight low will probably be in play. But if we hold this level, then I don't think it to be completely unreasonable that we just push back up. So I'm okay to like just play this area and just add into this and just keep my stop at the low, and if it breaks it, it breaks it, sort of deal. Just going to keep adding into it as we pull back. The stop will just be at the low. Keep trying to scalp it. We're in 5 micros here. I think that's all we can go, right? No, wait, you can go 3 minis, right? Yeah, I think you can go 3. All right, I'm going to stick with 6, but I'm going to go ahead and put my stop in here. Again, the idea here is just thinking this low holds. It might not. That's the reason for the stop, right? What up, Trader Oracle? How you doing? We need it to rip. Do we go full port here? It is only like a 10-point stop to full port. Thing is, it might soup this low, but I want it to hold the low. Since it's a little eval action, I don't know. I think it's going to take the low. All right, it's taking the low here, so I think I'm going to participate short on the break of that low. I'm expecting kind of an elevator down here. I probably should have added that. I'm gonna take those off. Want a little bit of a push back up. We'll get back in here. Excuse me, guys. I mean to cough in your ear. I'm gonna switch over to a mini right quick to make this a little more. I don't know what the word is. More degen, maybe. Kind of right into there. Take a short. Stop up here. Where did we say that low was that we were talking about target? Oh, come on. Come on, bro. Where was that wick at? 835? Do we dare target down there? Oh, I don't know why I looked over there. I could just look here. I mean, if we lose this 90, then we can get the elevator rolling. There's the first test of the 90. If we lose it, we get a little elevator here. So I think I'm going to target like that 55 area. Stop to break even. Probably good to put it there now, but let me give it one more push. Nice boink off the EMA. Yeah. I probably missed it. Let's see the elevator here. Now we're through the 90. Get back below this wick, I'll put the stop into break even. The next push through 90, I want to see it hold below 90. So, and if it comes back up, I might take it off and re-enter. I'm going to take it off there and just do a little re-entry here. Because ES could give us a little push up here. I don't want to take heat on this. I'd rather just take it off and re-enter. All right, we'll re-enter there. And again, we'll go stop to break even below this wick here. Kind of want to see this thing push lower here, but it's giving me problemos. We are kind of low. We are at the hole number 2, so. I didn't really want to take heat on this trade, but it looks like we may have to. Might have should have just taken my scalp there for the 10 or 12 points. Got back to green. And then... we are at the open. Yeah, we're live again. I hate weeks. Live again. Swatching here. Trying to be patient on this, but Gator is bearish. I'm with the Gator. Let's get down there to the thigh gap. Let's get back down there to the thigh gap. That, what was that? The previous day low down there, I think. Come on, rip it lower here. The longer it kind of refuses to go lower, the less I like it. I'm trying to be patient, though, because I know if once it breaks, it can really break. We can really get that elevator here. We're down 146 on this. Below 90, I'm thinking about adding. Just taking 10 points below 90. No, I hate weeks. We don't want to push up. I want the ES to go down and test that 5408. That's exactly what I want. Currently at 5421. Oh, come on. Oh, that sucks, Curd. What happened there? I don't like this, guys. CC, I probably go with Tradeify right now. Well, it depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for upfront cost, then you go with Apex. But, well, actually, they're both very similar, to be honest, in cost. All right. I am probably going to get blown up here. This thing doesn't turn down here. It's kind of at the line in the sand. I didn't really want to take heat on this one. I probably should have just killed it and just re-entered. I hate it when I do that, though. But yeah, I think they're both very good. I like the Tradeify growth accounts. I like those growth accounts. Tradeify. Just got to be able to stand the heat here, I guess. I think this account has like a $1,200 daily loss limit. IBL, where's IBL at? I don't even know. It's on this chart. 25s. Let me see. They keep hitting your stop loss. Yeah, Kurt, that's kind of my problem. You got to kind of give it room. But this thing could rip high. It really could rip higher here. But trying to be patient with it. See if we get this next leg down. If we don't, we just hit the daily loss limit on the eval. If ES reclaims the 28, then that would be of some concern. Really want to see it stay below there. Yeah, exactly, Trev. It has kind of been irrelevant. Although we have retested it a couple times today. Oh, no. Yes, reclaiming the 28 there. All right, just getting out. Just getting out. We got $400 left in drawdown on this account. So it looks like it just wants to go higher. That failure to go lower was always a little suspect to me, you know? Was a little suspect. So let's see if we can find a spot to get a couple scalps, get a little room here. All right, I'm going to take a stab along here. ES broke back above. We only got 400 in drawdown, so it either goes or it doesn't. Come on, rip it up. That's not up. That's down. Gotta take us to the moon. And nope. And daily loss limit, here we come. There it is. Knew it was going to happen eventually. Knew it was gonna happen. Yeah, see, that's what I was thinking. Like, just needed enough for it to to be able to take the heat there. I don't think we had enough anyway. It feels bad. Yeah, one account that's about to lose it. You're broke completely. 33, lost my job. I don't know what to do. I'm lost. Simple mistakes ruining my trading. Kurd, I'm going to give you a piece of advice in trading, especially. It's part of the reason why I started the YouTube channel. You never want to rely on your trading for your income unless you have like a year's worth of salary saved up. Very difficult to do otherwise. Very, very difficult to do, right? So I'd probably try to find a job, trade in your part-time, trade when you can. So instantly realize price will never go higher. Oh yeah, Captain Kirk is, of course. It just did. But yeah, I would not. I would find a job, even if it's part time, whatever you got to do to maintain your lifestyle, and even if it's DoorDash or Uber Eats or whatever, something simple, little gig work. I did that myself, and I also started the YouTube channel and traded. So that would be kind of what I would think. That's always what I would suggest. But you don't really want to count on your trading for your income because that's going to put a lot of pressure on you, a lot of stress. So, Captain Kirk, no, we are sitting on like, we got one Bulenox, we got 2 take profit traders, 5 apexes, and then how many my funded futures? We blew one my funded futures today because we took a payout on it yesterday, and then we have another one that we're working on. So whatever that is, 10, 11, I don't even know. So working it back. I did just purchase another account here from Take Profit Traders, seeing if I can get this thing connected. Still just says disconnecting. I don't understand why it's doing that. Let me check it and see if this account... Let me see. Let's just make sure the password is the same. Let's make sure the password's the same. 238. You don't have to sign our Trader Pro again. Find a job, stays alive with the income, trading 3 PA accounts, and don't chase the 8 days. Yes, great advice. Yeah, Captain Kirk, we're always going to have some, but you know, used Instacart in Florida, made $800 to $1,000 a week. Yeah, dude, you can make money, man. Trev, I made good money. I mean, not this kind of money, right? But yeah, I made really good money doing gig work. You know, paid my bills. Dude, I was an Uber driver. I drove Uber for. I mean, I live in Athens, Georgia. You know, home of the University of Georgia. So, yeah, you just drive Uber. You go downtown on the Friday, Saturday nights. Just work I mean, it sucks to work Friday, Saturday night, but that doesn't interfere with trading, right? So you get out at 6 p.m., work till 2, 3 a.m., stack some money. Stack that money. Over there asking Cove Trader if he's going to the beach soon. No. Did I win today's Hide the Cucumber? Oh, goodness. On Liberation Day, you passed 13 of 14 evals in less than a minute. Nice. That's crazy. Yeah, Peter, this is tough. I mean, it's going up now. Yeah, Trev, me too. I've been all over the place too with sales and not sales, but the wage. I started off at $4.25 an hour. I worked at Bell's Food Store in Jefferson. Coper, are you here? I'm trying to get this to connect. Market Basket, never heard of that one. Let's see. I don't know, man. I can't get logged into Rhythmic on Take Private Trader. I have no idea what's going on with it. It's not working. Let me see if it says the account is active. It says pending. Let me check. Let me check my email. All right, it says setting up your test account. So it doesn't say it's active yet. What up, Amelia? How you doing? You're up under 15K in less than a minute? That's crazy. Amelia, what are you where are you working at? Grocery store, where you at? Where is that? Maybe. It still says pending, so wait. Do I have any credits? No credits. Do we dare? Problem with these evals, man, I want to trade a mini so bad. Oh, you work from home. Oh, I got you. I'm much calmer than Patrick. Yeah, I think 98.6% of people are much calmer than Patrick. But it's probably a little bit of a show there too, right? A little bit of a show. With the good old Patty. Patty the baddie? Nah. Come on, give me my account, guy. Why you gotta be like that? Eat lunch on the hood of my Lambo. I have no Lambo. No Lambo. We have We have a Toyota Camry. A 2023, I think, or 24. I don't even know what year it is. A Toyota Camry. Yeah, Amelia, I was just looking. I don't have it anymore. I was like, I was going to put it up there, but I don't have it anymore. I don't have it. Why does the Trade accounts on Take Profit Trader get created like right away, but the other ones don't? Anybody know? Like if I sign up for a Rhythmic account, it takes a lot longer than if I do a Trade. Yeah, Rob's tough. He's probably slapping me both ways right now too if I had an account to trade. This is a good spot for a long, maybe down here off the 920s. I wouldn't mind it. If we can get down there. May not. Probably targeting up there. Yeah, I have Replicanto, Captain Kirk. That's what I'm using. Replicanto. That's what I'm using. Yeah. Right here. Replicanto. Give me my account so I can press the button here. Still not. Still no account. Yeah, I like Replicanto. Seems to have less... I mean, there's still issues occasionally, but seems to have less issues than the Quantire copier. Although I do still use the Quantire copier as well. Oh, did we get it? Oh, it says active. All right. Let's see here. Now it says active. Let's see if the connection's actually active now. And it still says disconnecting. Let me delete some of these. We don't need all these on here. I still got the fast track connection on here. Definitely don't need that bullshit. Yeah, look at that long there. 26. Didn't quite get to the 20 that I wanted, but that's a good spot for a long. Was a good spot. I mean, I don't know why it's not letting me connect. I have no idea. Let me check the settings on that just to make sure I'm not like got something crazy on there. Probably caused some weird virus to the other accounts. Display your lag. How do we know the lag, Captain Kirk? Amelia. Exactly. No, how would I know the lag, though? Does Take Profit Trader have their own, their thing on Quantire? I don't think they do they? No. I have no idea. I don't know why it's doing that. Pissing me off, though, I can tell you that. Password's correct. The login is correct. It just says disconnecting. Let me log into RTrader Pro. I mean, I shouldn't have to sign anything in there, but let me log into it just to see. Really shouldn't have to sign anything in there. But we'll do it anyway, just to make sure. Okay, aggregated data. Rhythmic. Yeah, it won't let me do it. There was not really any news. It just, for whatever reason, we had a big candle there. Just a random. Am I on the wrong one? Let me see. I guess I am. Any idea when Bulenox 91%? I really don't know. I was hoping to get one like today or tomorrow, but then as soon as I saw Apex come out with that sale, I knew Bulenox was going to go to 83%. It would be nice though. Login failed. Please contact the administrator. I mean, come on, man. This is annoying. That's why I didn't want to buy another one of those accounts like that. All right. It doesn't look like I'm going to be able to trade that account. Alright, that makes me mad. I'm not going to be able to trade this. This is Quan Tower, Captain Kirk, but I have Ninja open right here. Got Ninja open right here. I'm annoyed. Annoyance. Looks like that 8,009 is going to be the draw there. Yeah, no accounts active before you bought and they turn off your login. No, I did have an account active though, Peter. This is the problem. So, what up, Lassie? Oh man, I kind of want to take a trade on this other account, but oh, there's the VWAP. $19,009. Top bar. Lag. Where's lag at? I don't know where the lag is. Lag up here? Let me look here 1 second. Oh, I have to go full screen. All right, give me a minute. Little pullback here. Coming into the macro time. All right, Lassie, going to the sauna. Let's go. Bounce off the 55. 57. Are we kind of going back down here? Right of the ATR. I don't know if I have any of that up. See if we get a little bounce here. Kind of looks like not. Go on break even here. It's got to go or not. Oh, that would be not. Right of the ATR. Let me see. I don't know where it is. I don't know what you're talking about. The lag. I don't see anything anywhere. Don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea where the ATR is. I have no clue. I don't use Ninja that often, so you have to tell me. We'll keep trying the rhythmic connection for Take Private Trader. Maybe it'll connect eventually. I'm giving up hope. Maybe because I got like a custom script. I don't know. Dumpage. What up, Pine Tree? Yeah, little power hour. Little power hour here. The dog said, woof. Maxie. Pine Tree, did you finally land? Are we at home now, Pine Tree, or do we go somewhere else? How strict is ETF with DCE on PA accounts? Had a few trades today, too. I think you'll be fine, Rob. It's more of like, wait, how am I on 3 minute? It's more of like a time thing as opposed to like the other. time per trade, I think. I've gotten burnt so many times on shorts today. Man, I really have. Keep getting burned on shorts. Like, makes me scared to take them. Good thing I didn't take that short. Oh, you thought it was an eval? Yeah, I think you're okay. You're in Maine. Chick-fil-A, let's go. Yeah, I went to Chick-fil-A too. Earlier. Such a tough spot here. This market today has just been like trappy back and forth. Kind of wanted long here, but I feel like if I'm long, it's just going to go right back down. It still looks, I mean, I don't know. New 5-minute candle here. Am I running windows? I don't know. I haven't done anything to Windows. I've not done anything to it. Yeah, I'm running Windows, but I haven't done anything to it at all. And this is a custom PC, but it's 3 or 4 years old at this point. 3 or 4 years old. Daily payouts? Oh, yeah, I recommend Take Profit. Daily payouts for sure. 30% no activation fee. I don't know. I just like them. All right, you're going to get me here. You enticed me. I'm going to do it. When in doubt, blame Palm Tree. Where do I check that at, Captain Kirk? I have no idea. Oh, come on. Trying to trap me here. They trapped me. Above the wick, I go break even. Even of break. Come on, get through there. A dick for a tick me. That's rude. You guys see that? That's you dirty asshole. You dirty asshole. System update. System date time. You dirty asshole. Just going to do me dirty like that going into the top of the hour. Okay, I'll do that, Captain Kirk. I can't do it. I don't think I can do it while I'm on the stream. Date and time settings will come up. Sync. Synchronize the clock now. All right, I might long here again going into the top of the hour. Could be dangerous though. 3 o'clock could just rip lower, huh? There's 3 o'clock. Ooh, it is ripping lower. I'm just going to go. What up, Frank? Can we get a pop? Yeah, it's going to give it back there. Give it back there. Just give it back. Why not? She trapped me. She tricked me. Oh, sync now. Trying to trap me here. What's going on? Do we get a 50 EMA touch here? Think about looking for a bounce off the 50 here. Would be the first test of it. Oh, your lag is less than 2 or 3 100ths. Nice. I'm going to look for a bounce here off the 50 level. I mean, really? Come on, man. Tagged in there. Come on, let's rip it. I'm going to go 59. I'm going to go break it. Well, I'll break even there, 59. There we go. Beautiful 50 touch. Let's go. Beautiful 50 touch. All right, let me check out this time thing you guys are talking about. It doesn't show me. If I click on the adjust, then I can hit sync now. Okay. Yeah, I said sync now, and then did that. You can install your own time protocol that will auto sync to the Merck servers. Minberg Network Time Protocol. Nice. Maybe I'll look into that. I don't really know. We'll see. So nice little win there on this one, 250. Had some degeneracy on this account earlier, doing some scalps, as you can see. Up almost 1,000 now. We can take a payout on this one. I think we need one more $100 day, maybe two. Let me see. Let's see how many days we need on this account. I think it's maybe two. Let's check it. We currently have, we have 4 trading days. No. We only have 2. So today would be 3. Yeah, so we're only on day 3, so we need 2 more $100 days to be able to take on another $1,200. It's Trading Star. What up? Oh, the other protocols, yeah. You can see the degeneracy that happened on this account earlier today over here. The degeneracy. I think 909 feels like it's the draw. I've been kind of bullish most of the day, even after this pullback. I mean, realistically, ES left the previous day low down there. Or actually, left the overnight low too, didn't it? Yeah, it did. Do we end up down there by the end of the day? I don't know. I guess the key level there is the 54.39 on the ES. All right, 307 here. Got some dumpage going on now. I mean, like, this structure looks like we kind of want to move back up, right? But it's so difficult to pick a spot. I mean, it's not really great. We're kind of in a very tight coiled range. Same range that we kind of stayed in yesterday, you know, for most of the day there. So I wish it would give me my Take Profit Trader account. Boring day. Yeah, kind of Alito. Yeah, a little late trades today, Trading Star. A lot of doji, so you're not wrong on the 5-minute. You bought used computers that were 8 seconds off and hadn't synced in many years. Price bars won't paint accurately. That's funny. That's crazy. Yeah, I mean, ES still to me looks bullish, but looks like it still wants to go up. I'm waiting on them to come back here. Did I take a payout from My Funded Futures? Yes. I took one last night from My Funded Futures. I requested at 27. I requested at 6:45. It was in my account at 6:47. Pretty quick. You can see right there, $1,197.24. And this one, these two were from the same account, as you can see there. And then February. So they've only taken 12, 24, 36, 42, $4,300 almost. We've got a couple of more accounts that we're working on now to see if we can get to the payout status. This one that you're looking at here, we're up 1,000. We're on day 3, so we need 2 more $100 days to lock in another $1,200. So that's the idea. Yeah, some payouts. Always nice to get a few payouts. No, I don't have any equities, Captain Kirk. I just stick to futures. We just stick to futures for the fun. I enjoy futures. I enjoy not having to look around, not having to look at charts. I'm not great at technical analysis as it is, but I enjoy just being able to look at one ticker and decide whether I think it's going up or down and kind of go from there. That's what I like to do. Yeah, CC, I have a cash account for sure. You're waiting on your Topstep payout. Requested 1,050 or 1,050 Monday, but they did remove the requested amount from your balance. Oh, yeah, I'm sure you'll get it probably today or tomorrow, D. 4:30 a.m. and it says approved, but I still didn't receive your rise. Previous time was a bit faster. Yeah. Do not post on Twitter about it. Whatever you do, don't post on Twitter and tag My Funded Futures. Don't do it. Oh, you flattened Tesla last year, just pay tax. Dude, taxes. I'm not a fan. Not a fan of taxes. Today is tax day here in America. Tax day here in America. Mancini says, my first post at 8 a.m. warned today would be range bound. 5408 to 5485 with 28 magnet. 36 with trigger to 85, and we hit 85 to the tick and sold. Now back to 28. Huge trend coming soon. Hold runner. Don't force trades. 46 must reclaim to work up. So now he's saying 46 must reclaim to work up. So let's go ahead and mark that out. So let's wait and see if 46 can reclaim. I assume we could spell this stuff right. I didn't even have 46 as a level marked out. Where'd that level come from? $54.46. Yeah, that's it. All right. Oh, it's not tax day in Georgia. May 1st. Let's go. What happens at MFF stays at MFF. That's right. They do love it when you complain on social media. They'll complain back and ban you, hit you with the ban hammer. I did think that was a little excessive. Ripping higher here. Look at this thing go. Ripping higher. Yeah, I must have Amelia. That's crazy. I thought it was a little. I mean, the guy was just kind of joking. You could tell. He wasn't even being kind of serious there. What everybody do? We had spring break last week. What everybody do over spring break? Look at that wick right above the VWAP there. I'm so tempted to take this. I think we run that 09 level there. You could maybe take this. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait because we still have room above this 09 level anyway. I mean, do we push all the way back up here? I mean, it's possible, right? That relative equal highs up there at the 89. Do we end the day up in the 140s, 150s? Excuse me. Look at this thing rip. Look at it go. Everyday spring break. Let's go, Amelia. Got to get some kids. I'm not going to put the stop where it needs. It needs to be down here. I'm not going to do it. So. Probably. Can it go? Can she do it? Can she do it? Can she do it? Rip it. Come on, you can do it. You could be nice to me once on a micro. Just on a micro, you could be nice. Yeah, I know. I got some kids you can borrow for sure. You want to borrow some kids? We got you. Wait. How much did I lose there? Was I up 240? I don't even know what I was up before that trade. I only lost 10 points. Should this be 20? Oh, is it $40? It is $40, isn't it? 10 points. No, yeah, it's 40. Yeah, I didn't think about that. It's fine. All right. It's going to trap me. I'll play the game. I'll play the game. Oh. You know what? Okay, no, we didn't run it yet. 909.50. I was wondering if the NQ actually ran that level already or not. Rip it. Get above the high there. Rip us through there. Rip us through there. Get above that whole number there. We should be able to go. Come on, go. Oh, thanks, Eliza. Man, do I trust this to move the stop down? I really don't. I mean, like, I think it goes, but, like, I don't know. I don't like where it is. I don't like where the stop is at all. Oh, come on. Let's go. Bake that 19,000. It should go. Just banging its head on that 19,000. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Come on, get up there. I don't know if I want to allow this to go back red. Wants to go, it's just not going. Gonna take it off there. You passed 7 evals. Let's go. Nice job. Red Hot Trading Preppers. Gonna win big. That's right. Eventually. I should be longing right here, really. All right, let's do this. Let's do this way. So we got about a 20-point stop. So that's what? $80. Is that right? Yeah, 16. Let me get this run up into the 909s. Four in a row wrong when yesterday was 100%. Yeah. I mean, hey, you have days like that, right, Luke? Everybody does. Come on, rip it here. Rip it up. I guess I gotta give the desired direction. We need to give the desired direction, I guess, huh? Oh well. Come on, get it up there. All right, we're above the high. I'm going to lock some in. Kind of want it to just run here. Locking in 10 points. $20. Let's rip it on up. Of course. No real follow through there. Just not a whole lot of follow through there. Oh, yeah. That's crazy loot. You have 2 other close to passing. Let's go. NQ's definitely... It just keeps wicking below these lows and then bouncing. Yes, losing that 39. Which has been the magnet all day. Oh man, I missed the 50 touch again. Closing below 39 there on the ES. Are we going to retest the 28? Shorts have really been burning me today. I've talked about that a couple times. Let's see if it pushes down here a little bit. I don't know, man. Kind of got this little trend line going here too. Take a little stab long here, or short. There we go. Back up to 50. 966 gap up there. 996. Yeah, kind of where we were right there at, huh? Yeah, we got that wick sitting up there at 19,009, though. That's why I kind of thought that we would push it to there. Now, we did push back into the gap. We just didn't rerun that high. Now, that high is not protected. So all right, let me check the 5-minute trend here. We do got a little bit of a trend line here. Wow, I just wish I was looking at that. I don't know if it's Trump. I missed that 5-minute trend break there. I missed it. The entry would have been 970. Actually, right where I got short at. The next level down on the 5-minute is 937. Yeah, like 936. And then 897. $936, $897. $869? Yeah, maybe. 936, that next level down. I mean, it's too late for me to short it. My entry up here was good. If I noticed the 5-minute break, I probably would have went a little bit higher, a little bigger. You can see pretty clearly here, like previous support turning into resistance. I wasn't even looking at this chart when I was longing. You have a short-term 5-minute trend here, close below, working below the trauma. First level of support down here at 936. Next level 896. And then all the way down here, 858. I was not looking at that chart, so it happens. Everyone riding the robo trend, yeah. So tapped 839 there. Didn't quite get down to that next level. Two minutes until the 330. I'm tempted to take a short here. Tempted. right back up here. Stop could be at 60, 70. I don't love holding this trade into the 30 after. Could have ripped the other way here, but that's okay. We got the stop in. Yeah. 30, that 330 times, sometimes we get like some weird movement there. I don't want to give it too much room here, so. All right. 38% held. I still think it might move lower. Depends on, I don't know, depends. Retest of 54.39 there on the ES from the bottom side. Just going to see what we get here. Just watching the 5 minute, see what it does. All right, let's see here. All right. I'm going to try it again here. All right. I thought for sure it would take me out of that one. Yeah, it didn't. Short 988. Yeah. Literally just got caught in the same trade twice. I'm not willing to really put the stop up here, so probably where it needs to be, but not willing to do it. I guess I could. Yeah, below 950 would be nice. Need ES to get below 33 too. I'm going to take it off. Look for a better spot. Really could go both ways, either way here. I think it goes down, but I don't know. I also thought it was going to go up earlier, so. Lord in Q. Uh, yeah, I don't know. I could, it's one of those things. I think it's going to go down. As long as we hold below 39 on the ES, I think it'll go down, but your stop really has to be up there above that 19,000 level. I really didn't want to put the stop all the way up there. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, we do appreciate it. All right, I think as bad. I want to take the short again. I want to take the short again. All right, I'm in. And I'm out. Probably. Tight 10-point stop here, so. I was thinking the ES was moving below that initial balance there, and then it just didn't. I need to move the stop, I really do, but I'm just going to let it stop me. We'll look for another spot. Thank you, James. You the man. Appreciate you, Amelia. Don't give up on 977. Oh, look at it. See, that's what I was expecting. I mean, I don't know. Rude. Rude. Yes, I am. I have to move these up a little bit. This is what you do when you're asking for punishment. When you're like, "Hey, Nasdaq, please punish me." That's some horrible, horrible action. I don't know why I'm doing that. I don't know why I'm doing that. Horrible, horrible idea. Short, short, lower, short, lower, short, lower. Just not smart. A goatsy day. All right, getting back in. It'll take my money and then go. Boom, boom, boom. Hungarian PA. The boo-boo shoot. It's tearing me up for sure. We're about 10 minutes outside of the murder bot. Well, tried to push lower there. Kind of get the 50 level again and just bounced. Yes, back up to the 32. If the ES would only break 430. Yeah, I'm watching the ES. Got some support there at 28. I mean, if it would at least touch that, we'd be okay. If it would at least touch the 28, we'd be all right. But that 39 is kind of the magnet, so it very well could just get back to that 39 and push back higher here. So it's getting chopped up. Just glued to the 33 there for now. Yes, pushing back up here. $50 will take me to my TP. Last week was fun, except for me losing my accounts. That was kind of a spoiler on Monday. Come on, rip it lower here. Get through that first target. I'm going to go break even. Just can't do it. Just cannot do it. I'm going to go break even through that first target. Just like 9 to noon, 9:15 to noon. Yeah, that was fun, Marson. That's true. 6 minutes until the murder bot. Actually, yeah, 6 minutes. A little less than 7 minutes, I mean. Yes, pushing right back up 35s. We're kind of short bottom of the range. I don't love it. I would much prefer be short up here at the 70 area. But we'll see if it can't bust through the bottom there. And go down. Let's see if it can do it. Got about 1 minute, 15 seconds till the next 5-minute candle opens. New 5-minute candle in 50 seconds, and then we got the murder bite in about 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Moving that one down to 40 just because, why not? All right, new 5-minute candle here. We need it to push on lower. Last candle's a little small green one. Inside bar. If it breaks to the upside, I'm probably going to just close the trade. I want to see it break below 47.25 right now. Get below 47.25. There we go. All right, going break even now. Yes, at the 28 there, could bounce here. Did we hit the 36? We did not. Might consider taking, I think I'm going to take it at 36. That's that next level of support there. $927, you think? Yeah, it could. I mean, I like that level. All right, up 150 on that account after a lot of degeneracy there, and more fees than profit. That's never a good sign. And here's the thing, like, knowing that the stop needs to be here and like just allowing myself to get chopped up all in here, just stupid. Should just put the stop where it needs to be and just hold it. So let's see if you grab something from the murder bot. Let's go. What up, Bread? There's 925. Yes, lost that 28 level. I fully expect us to probably test 5408. So I would not be shocked to see us push down into like 830s even, potentially. What's the intraday low? Right here. Bouncing off the initial balance there. Here's a perfect spot in the middle of nowhere. Yeah. Nice job, James. I saw you call out 77. I think I stopped out right at 77 on one of my shorts, like right here. I stopped out there, and then it just wicked up and went down. I don't know. I traded this dumb, completely dumb, for sure. Not smart, okay? It's like Forrest Gump. He's like, is he dumb? Is he smart? Is he smart? Basically asking, is he dumb like me? 835 is pre-market low. Yeah, that's way down there. Overnight low. Still could hit that, right? Ugh. All right, do we guess on the murder bot here? Do we try to guess? I mean, obviously, if you had to guess, you'd say, I would think down. We broke the structure. Do we go for a short? I don't know. Up then down. Forrest Gump was a genius. Yeah, you're not wrong. He didn't think so, though, right? All right, 8 seconds. Yeah. Wow, that froze my chart. That froze my chart. Little 50 touch there. First 50 touch after the cross. Look at her go. I want to just take the long here, but I'm going to wait. Do we have liftoff or do we have a crash? Looks like liftoff to me. I'm going to wait for this candle to close, and then we'll look for the pullback. Maybe try to target up in here. We'll see. Guess I could have just went ahead and went in. Yeah, 55, it's weird, right? Sometimes it fades it. Sometimes it doesn't. All right, let's see if this pulls back into the 50 EMA here, down here at 60. Before it runs that level there. We know that 39 level is kind of a magnet on the ES there. So we'll see if price wants to pull itself right back to it. Got about 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes until the 55 candle. Just did not pull back far enough. Did not pull back far enough for me. All right, running that level. Let's kind of see what happens here at the 85.90 level. Got 2 minutes here until the 55. That last 5-minute candle looks very bullish, though. We're going to run these wicks up here. Tricky spot, really, to be honest with you. Tricky spot. I don't know if I want to guess which way the 55 is going to take us. Hey, let's go. Naveen Arunan. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. 15 seconds until this 55 algo. I have no idea, guys. My lean is down because it depends on how this candle closes. We tapped into that 5-minute trend line. We're kind of rejecting it right there. So for that reason, my lean's kind of down. But yeah, Adrub, I would agree. Didn't quite go down there. We tapped that 39 level. On the ES there. We did push our way back into the 39. Let me see here. Look for a spot to find an entry, but maybe a long off the 60 might make sense, but a little bit on the scary side, to be honest. Consider we rejected that 5-minute. Rejected that 5-minute trend line there. Certainly rejected that trend line. Still didn't pull back. 15-second head and shoulders. You couldn't see it either. I mean, sort of. So the thing is, like, this thing really could go either way here. It really could. I mean, ES is back below that 33. Kind of a tough call. Let's see here. Yeah, I guess I sort of see. Man, as much as I hate the short, I think we pull back into that 60 at least. Coming into the final minute. Ugh. I mean, I think we rebalanced this gap here, but like, you know, could just as easily rip higher. All right, coming into the final minute. Let's see if we can find a spot. Here's the 60. That probably would have been the play. Yeah, Yoji. Bears are winning. Final 20 seconds here. All right, going to take a stab long here. Got a little win there. A little win there going into the end of the day. All right, well, there's the close. We took a little, I don't even know, what was that, like 5 points, 4 points. I moved the stop. It's just up, so I was like, you know, still think that we could push here. Take the money and run. Woohoo! That's what I should do. I mean, we're at 179. I could. The thing is, you could take one more stab at it, right? With a 40 tick stop. One more stab. We get up 2-3 points. I'm going to go stop to break even. Like that. Let's see if it can go. Come on, go. Oh, come on. Got in too late. Where's I mean, I think the pushback into 995 might make sense. Tomorrow you're getting Bulenox payouts. Let's go. Do we go one more time? All right, you too, Hardy. Do I do one more? Do we go one more time here? I don't know. Might take us lower here. Just kind of watch and see. Let's give it another minute or two here. Time statistics. Where's that at? You don't quite know what that does. I mean, we turn it on, see what it does. I have no clue what that does. Max is barking. I'm going to stab long one more time here. Last trade. Come on, rip it here. Rip it up. Try to get to $200 a day there. We'll take it. We'll take it. I mean, I know at one point we were up like 248, so. This is the one. No, this is the one that I am just trading. We're on day 3, so we need 2 more $100 days. You can see. Look at the fees today. Huge fees today. We scalped it all day. It wasn't really worth it. Let's be honest. But yeah, this is the one that we need. The one from yesterday, we hit the daily loss limit on. I'll show you that, guys, that right quick. Here's the daily loss limit. I'll go over the accounts, what we did today. So this one we hit the daily loss limit on. That's the one from yesterday we were up 1,000 on. So still Jekyll and Hyde. What is this going on here? Eval hit the daily loss limit on the eval there. And then these funded accounts, pretty decent day on those. $294. So I don't know why the gross. I mean, did I pay that many fees on this account? That would be in, there's no way. That's got to be wrong. Yeah, that's got to be wrong. Yeah, it was a tough day, Alito. I could have traded way better. Could have traded way better. I just you know, I don't know. Could have been a better day, but you could say that about every day. So, but that's it. If you guys haven't already hit that like button for me, subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, we'll be back tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. We will post a video tonight, a review video of some sort. Jacob Franja, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. So, oh, okay, cool. Captain Kirk, if you're in the Discord, shoot it to me through in DM or something. I can take a look at it. But anyways, remember, 83% off Bulenox, 80% off APEX, 30% off no activation fee, take profit trader, 25% off Starter Plus on my funded futures. Still got 35% off of Tradeify and take profit, or Tradeify and what was the other one? Not take profit trader. Tradeify and for some reason I can't even remember. Tick. So 50% off funded futures network, and then I did get a code from Legends. So Quantower, how do you monitor your drawdown? Right here. It says it right here. Intraday trailing. That's where it tells you at. So that's going to be it for me. And we'll be back tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. We appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.